Hey fellas, how's it going? Well, today is Saturday and it's about to be 1 o'clock. And this pickup truck was brought to me because it was leaking from the valve cover. So by the time when I actually removed the valve cover, I saw that there were 3 bolts that were on the strip, like real strip. So now we're gonna have to use the helicoil that I bought from O'Reilly. This is not my first time using this type of. This actually been like my second time or the third time that I've using it. I highly recommend it to you all guys. So as you guys can see, already the valve cover is removed. Also, it looks kind of nasty over here. Like, do you see how the oil looks like? Probably for the next couple oil changes that we do, I'm gonna have to use that magic thing that goes inside the motor, like magic flash, motor flash magic thing. By the time when I buy it, I'm gonna let you know, guys, and also I'm gonna put it right here on the link. So if you guys wanna go and buy that magic motor flash thing. So there were 3 bolts. It was this one, which I have already tapped it. Let me show you I have already tapped it. As you guys can see, already has the new threads over there, pretty clean. One over here as well. They go just like this. It's already been tapped. So that one's already tapped. Then also what I noticed in the back with the bolts from the valve cover, it was that the ones on the 2 bolts on the rear were not even tight enough. Like literally they were like completely loose. That I even kind of like actually pull those bolts out just only by hand. I didn't have to use any ratchet nor impact gun. The other thing that I actually did notice was that the helicoils that come with this. Let me go and show you the key. Okay, so this is the helicoil I'm using. Is for a thread for M6 times 1 or M6 times 1.0. So we're gonna open it. It's always kind of hard to use just only one hand to do the task done, guys. Okay, so we're gonna have the actually tap right here. Then we have the helicoils in here, and the helicoil injector. That helicoil injector is gonna help us to go and put the new helicoil inside the thread that we have already made. Oh, so let me go and show you how the helicoils look by itself. Let me see if you guys can see it. Okay, so this is the helicoil. First of all, we actually did the thread, the one that goes right here, and then we're gonna have to insert this helicoil over there. Never forget, guys, to go and break this little wire thin on the bottom. Oh, by the way, guys, so this wire thin is gonna go facing downward, facing down. Okay, so let's go and get it down. So we're gonna go take the helicoil injector as well. Oops, I got a mess. Okay, guys, so we're gonna have to go and grab the helicoil, and then we're gonna have to go and remove. We take the helicoil injector as well. We're gonna go and remember, guys, this little part over here, this little thing is gonna face down. That's gonna go inside first to the head of the motor. So this thing goes down just like that. Just like that. Then we're gonna put it inside the helicoil injector. Just like that. You're just gonna see the helicoil coming out from here, showing up over here, and boom. Then we're gonna have to go and do some threads over here, guys. I wanna go and show you this, because this the first time that I actually tried to go and put the helicoil inside there, it was kind of pain in the ass because I didn't know how to use this kit. So we're gonna have to go and try to inject it out. Oh my god, what a butt. Once it's like this, so let me go and actually mount my okay, right here. So once it's like that, and you already have the helicoil like this, and the helicoil injector, we're gonna have to try to mount it like that. So we're gonna go. Yeah, you might need probably like, I don't know, like probably like some pliers or something to put it down. Okay, so we're gonna have to put it right here, and we're gonna go and twist it to push it down, guys. Yeah, it feels like he's going in, guys. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's going in. Okay, another thing, guys. If you guys can see it out from over here, let me go and grab it. If you guys can see the helicoil going in, you want this helicoil, guys, to be flush with the with the black or whatever you are doing. So we're gonna have to keep going further in once it's flush. Okay, guys, just like that. Probably I went a little bit. This one is not flush, but it went like a little bit farther in, but it doesn't really matter. What would be worse is like this part of the helicoil will be still like facing out, like will be still like, you know, like part of the helicoil like still outside of the tray. Once you are done, you guys can go and remove the helicoil injector. Boom. There are some helicoil kits that they also come with a small punch, so you can one break the this part down. Like I don't have any, like the kit didn't come with any punch. I'm gonna use a pocket screwdriver, and I'm gonna break it in. As you guys can see already, I broke it, that part, how you're supposed to. Now you can go and use your bolt, the one that you needed, and see how smooth it's gonna go in. Boom. Right at the dot, guys. Right at the dot. Well, guys, this is it for today.